Most people fail at buying solar generators for one specific reason, and the fix is simpler than you think. They skip the basics. They overspend on the wrong wattage. They buy without a plan. Then the power goes out and their expensive setup does absolutely nothing useful. Sound familiar? In this video, we walk through exactly why solar generator setups fail and how PortablePowerLife gives you a dead simple system to get it right the first time. No guessing, no wasted money, just a clear path to real power independence. Here's what actually happens to most buyers. Someone purchases a cheap solar generator online without checking capacity. They take it camping, it dies after 4 hours. Or they grab an oversized 2000 watts unit for a weekend trip and cannot lift it into the car. Others buy panels that are completely incompatible with their unit. The common thread across all of these situations? No clear goal, no system, and no guidance from someone who actually knows the product. According to PortablePowerLife, these are the exact mistakes that waste time and drain budgets every single year. The problems are predictable and completely avoidable if you follow the right framework. PortablePowerLife built a simple 4-step framework that eliminates all of this frustration. Step 1. Decide exactly what you need to power and for how long. Step 2. Choose the safest and most practical option that fits that specific need. Step 3. Test it on a small scale before committing to a larger investment. Step 4. Improve and expand your setup from there as your needs grow. That is it. No overwhelm, no jargon, no second guessing. The Solar Generator Hub at PortablePowerLife.com is built around this exact sequence, giving you structured guides, plain language key terms, and quick picks matched to your specific goal and budget. Let's talk about the flagship option highlighted on PortablePowerLife. This portable power station runs on a 1070 watt-hours Life EPO4 battery, the safest battery chemistry available in consumer solar gear today. It delivers 1500 watts of AC output and a 100 watts USB-C port for laptops and devices. The standout feature? It charges from 0% to 100% in just 1 hour. That is faster than most competitors at double the price. Life EPO4 chemistry also means a dramatically longer cycle life. We're talking thousands of charges before any meaningful degradation occurs. For the price, nothing on the market in 2026 comes close to this performance level. For camping use, the PortablePowerLife top pick checks every box that serious outdoor users care about. The 1500 watts AC output handles a mini fridge, CPAP machine, electric blanket, and LED lighting all running simultaneously. The 100 watts USB-C port fast charges laptops and cameras without needing extra adapters. At 1070 watt-hours capacity, you get multiple full nights of real use before needing a recharge. Pair it with a compatible solar panel and you are completely off-grid with no generator noise, no fuel costs, and no campsite power hookup required. This is what practical solar camping looks like in 2026, and it works exactly as advertised. Emergency preparedness is where the 1-hour charge time becomes a genuine lifesaver. When a storm warning hits, most people scramble and panic. With this unit, you plug in, charge fully in 60 minutes, and you are completely ready for an outage that could last days. The 1500 watts output runs medical equipment, keeps a refrigerator cold to preserve food, and charges phones for emergency communication throughout an extended outage. PortablePowerLife specifically recommends Life PO4 units for home emergency kits because they hold their charge longer during storage and are significantly safer than standard lithium-ion alternatives under high-stress conditions. 1 unit. Total preparedness. For RV travelers and off-grid living, PortablePowerLife recommends building your system around a high-capacity Life PO4 unit, like this 1070 watt-hours station. It integrates cleanly with solar panel arrays mounted directly on an RV roof. The 1500 watts AC output handles a coffee maker, phone charging, and full interior lighting without any issue. For extended off-grid stays, pairing multiple portable stations together creates a scalable and reliable system. The guide section at PortablePowerLife.com walks through exactly how to configure this, from selecting compatible panels to calculating your daily watt-hour requirements. It is the practical off-grid roadmap that most buyers never find anywhere else. Here is what separates Portable Power Life from generic review sites flooding the internet. They publish a clear methodology explaining exactly how they choose and recommend every product they feature. They include a dedicated safety considerations section, covering thermal runaway risks, proper storage temperatures, and charging best practices that protect your home and family. They list the most common mistakes buyers make and provide pro tips based on real-world use cases. They also include a quick verification checklist so you can evaluate any unit before spending a single dollar. This is not a site throwing affiliate links at you. It is a structured, trustworthy resource built by people who genuinely understand portable power systems inside and out. If you are serious about solar generators, whether for camping, emergencies, RV life, or going fully off-grid, stop guessing and start with a proven system right now. Go to PortablePowerLife.com, solar-generators/immediately. Use their quick pick section to match a unit to your exact goal and budget in under 5 minutes. Follow the 4-step plan so you never overspend or buy the wrong unit again. Read the key terms guide so confusing specs never slow you down. This is the single resource that removes all the friction standing between you and real power independence. The link is in the description. Click it now and build your solar setup with total confidence.